Have you ever created a UI component and later realized that it already exists? Or do you find it challenging keeping track of the component's themes and preserving design principles while your product grows? Time passes, applications grow, and if you start to see a lack of consistency, what you need is Rocket UI. A solid and complete UI system and a way to manage your UI components lifecycle effectively. Using Rocket UI, you can simplify the process of keeping track of your components, themes, and different page templates, and ensure that they remain consistent across your products. Rocket UI will save you time because it contains OutSystem's native components, plus extra components developed based on user experiences and market trends, like the Kanban board, full calendar, table wrapper, drop-down multi-select, and many more. Say goodbye to UI collisions with Rocket UI. Try now our free version.